In this video, I will be showing you how to adjust the playback speed on YouTube. Let's get started. First, I open a new tab in my browser and click on the address bar. I type in YouTube and select the search suggestion to head over to the Google search results page. From here, I click on the main YouTube link to open the homepage. Once YouTube loads, I scroll down through the feed to find a video to watch. I keep scrolling past the shorts and news section until I spot a video that catches my attention. I click directly on the video thumbnail to open it. As the page loads, an advertisement starts playing first. I wait a couple of seconds for the option to skip, and then I click on the skip button at the bottom right corner of the video player. Now that the main video is playing, I hover my mouse over the video screen to reveal the player controls. I move my cursor over to the gear icon, which is the settings menu, located at the bottom right corner, and click on it. This opens up a menu with several options. I scroll down to Playback Speed, which is currently set to Normal, and click on it to bring up the speed settings panel. Here, you can choose preset speeds like 1.25, 1.5, or 2.0 times faster. To fine-tune the speed, the video now plays back much faster in real time. If I want to slow the video down instead, I can click the minus button on the left side of the slider. I tap the minus button until the speed drops down to 0.40x and then down to 0.25x. At 0.25x speed, the video footage plays back in extreme slow motion, allowing me to see every detail clearly. To speed it back up, I drag or click the slider to increase the rate back toward 1.85x and 2.0x speed. Once I am satisfied with the speed adjustment, I click the back arrow on the playback speed menu to return to the main settings, and then click anywhere on the video player or settings icon to close the menu completely. And that is how easy it is to customize and adjust playback speed on YouTube videos. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.